As men grow older, it's easy to blame fatigue, stress, or simple aging for the slow decline in energy, confidence, and vitality. But what if many of these changes were not actually caused by aging at all? What if there was something deeper happening inside the body? Something that could be addressed through a simple 1-minute daily practice. In today's episode, Dr. Mira Tan, a well-known expert in integrative wellness and male vitality, reveals a surprising discovery that has captured the attention of thousands of men worldwide. It's a technique so simple that it can be done anywhere, yet powerful enough to support healthier circulation, improve nerve responsiveness, and help men feel more alive, more confident, and more connected to their bodies. But before we get to that 1-minute massage method, Dr. Mira Tan wants every viewer to understand why so many men begin losing strength and potency long before they expect it. According to her, the real cause is often ignored: stagnant blood flow and nerve fatigue in a small but critical region of the lower body. She explains that modern lifestyle habits, long hours of sitting, high stress, reduced physical movement, and poor sleep, gradually weaken the body's natural energetic pathways. Over time, circulation becomes less efficient, especially in areas responsible for male vitality. When the blood flow slows down, the muscles and nerves that support performance begin to lose their natural strength and responsiveness. This doesn't happen overnight. It's a silent, slow decline. Men simply notice that they don't wake up with the same energy, the same drive, or the same confidence they used to have. They begin to accept these changes as a normal part of aging, but in many cases, it isn't aging at all. It's neglect. Dr. Mira Tan emphasizes that the male body is designed for movement, flexibility, and strong, active circulation. But when these natural systems are not stimulated regularly, the body's deeper vitality begins to fade. The good news? She believes the body also has an incredible ability to restore itself, if given the right kind of support. And that is where her 1-minute massage technique comes in. While many men turn to supplements, medications, or temporary fixes, Dr. Mira Tan's approach focuses on awakening the body's natural mechanisms. She teaches that by stimulating a very specific acupressure point, one that influences pelvic circulation and lower body nerve energy, men can help reactivate pathways that have been dormant for years. This point is not widely known, yet it has been used in traditional wellness practices across Asia for centuries. Dr. Mira Tan has spent years researching how activating this point can help men feel stronger, more present, and more vital. Her findings form the foundation of the simple technique she will reveal. But first, to understand how this massage works, we need to explore the surprising science behind this pressure point and why it plays such a powerful role in male vitality. Before Dr. Mira Tan demonstrates the 1-minute massage technique, she explains the deeper science behind the vitality point, the small but powerful spot on the body that influences energy, stamina, and male performance more than most people realize. According to her research, this point plays a central role in regulating pelvic circulation, nerve sensitivity, and hormonal signaling in men. When this area is healthy and active, the body naturally produces stronger responses. But when the point becomes tense, stiff, or blocked due to age or inactivity, several subtle problems begin to appear. Dr. Mira Tan describes it using a simple analogy. Think of your body like a city. Your blood vessels are the roads, your nerves are the communication wires, and this pressure point is one of the traffic controllers. If the controller slows down, everything connected to it slows down too. 1. Why this point weakens. With age. Over the years, most men unknowingly create conditions that weaken this pressure point. Long hours of sitting compress the lower pelvic muscles. Reduced physical activity leads to weaker blood flow. Mental stress causes muscle tightening in the hips and lower back. Lack of stretching restricts mobility in the surrounding tissues. Poor sleep disrupts hormonal recovery. None of these issues seem serious on their own, but combined, they create a perfect storm that gradually shuts down the body's natural vitality signals. Dr. Tan often tells her patients that aging doesn't cause the decline, lack of stimulation does. 2. The hidden effects of pelvic circulation. Drop. Most men don't realize how important circulation is for potency. When the flow to the pelvic area decreases, muscles lose their natural tension and control. Nerve responsiveness slows. Hormonal signals become less efficient. Recovery takes longer. The body feels tired, even after rest. In many wellness traditions, reduced pelvic circulation is considered the first stage of male decline. Dr. Tan's research supports this idea, showing that stimulating the right pressure point can help unlock these systems and encourage natural revitalization. 3. How the vitality point influences hormones. Another surprising discovery from Dr. Mira Tan is the point's connection to hormonal communication pathways, especially those related to male drive and confidence. When this area becomes tight or restricted, the body becomes less effective at sending and receiving hormonal signals. The result? Lower motivation, weaker performance, and reduced enthusiasm. By massaging the vitality point, men activate surrounding nerves that help improve communication between the brain and reproductive system. This is not a replacement for medical treatment, but a supportive technique rooted in traditional wellness. 4. Why? Older men respond faster. Interestingly, older men often see faster improvements than younger ones. Dr. Tan believes this is because their bodies have more dormant pathways waiting to be activated. The massage technique acts like flipping a switch, reawakening energy in a part of the body that has been ignored for years. This brings us directly to the most anticipated moment, the exact location of the vitality point and how to massage it properly. In the next chapter, Dr. Mira Tan demonstrates the 1-minute method step by step, showing how any man can apply it safely and effectively. Now that we understand why this hidden pressure point plays such a powerful role in male vitality, it's time to learn exactly where it is located and how Dr. Mira Tan teaches older men to activate it safely. Before demonstrating the technique, she emphasizes 2 important notes. This method is meant for general wellness and improved circulation, not medical treatment. It should feel comfortable, never painful. If discomfort appears, the pressure should be reduced immediately. With that said, Dr. Mira Tan begins her step-by-step explanation. 1. Understanding the area. First, the vitality point is located in a region connected to the body's lower energy pathways, those responsible for pelvic circulation, muscle flexibility, and lower body nerve responses. Instead of being on the front or back of the body, this point sits along a side pathway that many men rarely pay attention to. Dr. Tan explains that because this area is often neglected, the surrounding tissues tend to become stiff as men age. This stiffness slows down local blood movement, which is why massaging this point can produce such noticeable changes. When stimulated correctly, it sends a signal through the body's lower nerve network, encouraging better circulation and muscle relaxation. 2. Finding the exact spot. To locate the point, Dr. Mira Tan uses a simple 3-step approach that anyone can follow. Step A. Begin sitting upright. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Allow your shoulders to relax. Dr. Tan says that posture helps the nerves in the lower body open up, making the point easier to find. Step B. Place your hand on your hip crease. Slide your fingers into the crease where your thigh meets your pelvis. This is the gateway region, the area where blood vessels and nerves pass from your upper body to your lower body. Step C. Move slightly inward and upward. From the hip crease, move your fingers about 1 inch inward toward the center of your body and slightly upward. Press gently. If you feel a tender spot, not sharp pain, just sensitivity, you've likely found the vitality point. The sensitivity simply means the area has stored tension, which is exactly what the massage aims to release. Dr. Mira Tan says that most older men identify this point instantly because of how noticeably tight the area feels compared to surrounding muscles. 3. How to confirm you found the right point. According to Dr. Tan, you can confirm the correct location by noticing one of 3 sensations: a mild, warm feeling spreading downward, a slight tingling or light pressure radiating into the thigh, a release of tension after a few seconds. These natural responses signal that the nerve pathway is being stimulated. 4. Preparing for the 1-minute massage. Before beginning the technique, Dr. Tan instructs viewers to take 3 slow breaths. This helps calm the nervous system and enhances circulation. Relaxation allows the body to respond more effectively to the massage. In the next section, she finally reveals the full 1-minute method, including how much pressure to use, how fast to massage, and what changes men may expect to feel afterward. With the vitality point located and properly identified, Dr. Mira Tan finally demonstrates the full 1-minute technique, the simple, gentle routine that has helped thousands of older men restore circulation, improve nerve response, and re-energize their lower body pathways. She emphasizes again that this is not a medical treatment, but a natural wellness practice designed to support the body's own functions. 1. Starting the massage. Gentle activation, 0 to 20 seconds. Begin by placing 2 or 3 fingers directly on the vitality point you identified earlier. Dr. Mira Tan instructs men to use light pressure first, the same amount of force you would use when pressing around your eyes, firm enough to feel, but never painful. For the first 20 seconds, simply hold the pressure still. Don't rub or move yet. Dr. Tan explains that this activation hold wakes up the nerve endings and signals the brain to direct circulation to the area. Many men feel a mild warmth or soft pulsing sensation during these first few seconds, a normal, healthy response that indicates the pathway is beginning to open. 2. Circular motion. Stimulating the pathway, 20 to 40 seconds. After the initial hold, begin massaging the point in slow circular motions. The movement should be small, about the size of a coin, and steady. The goal is not to dig deep, but to gently encourage flexibility in the surrounding tissues. Dr. Tan recommends a rhythm of 1 circle per second. This pace to her is the most effective for stimulating the lower nerve network without causing muscle tightening. As you continue the circular motion, you may notice slight warmth spreading into the upper thigh, a loosening or melting sensation, relief from stiffness in the hip crease. All of these sensations are signs that the area is responding well. 3. Vertical massage, enhancing circulation, 40 to 55 seconds. In the last stretch of the massage, Dr. Mira Tan instructs men to switch from circular motions to gentle up and down strokes, no more than 1 inch in range. This vertical movement helps guide freshly activated blood flow downward through the pelvic region. This part of the massage is especially important for older men, as it encourages the blood vessels to expand and relax. The increased flow nourishes the surrounding muscles and nerves, helping them regain natural responsiveness. During these strokes, some men report a sense of opening or lightness in the hip or lower abdomen, a positive sign that tension is releasing. 4. Final hold. Sealing the benefit, 55 to 60 seconds. For the last 5 seconds, return to a simple, gentle hold on the point. This brief pause allows the nerve pathway to settle and stabilizes the improved circulation you just activated. Take a slow breath as you finish. That's it. 1 minute. 5. What men should expect. After regular practice. Dr. Mira Tan explains that while some men feel improvements almost immediately, the real benefits build over time. With consistent daily practice, men often report better lower body circulation, improved muscular control, a stronger sense of vitality, increased confidence and energy, improved sleep due to reduced tension. She emphasizes that consistency is the key. 1 minute a day is enough to awaken pathways that have been neglected for years. For men seeking natural ways to support their health, this simple technique becomes a powerful tool, one that reconnects them with their bodies and restores the energetic spark they thought they had lost.